Alright, we now want to go on to percentages. Just a quick revision on percentages. Now, a percentage is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. That's simply what a percentage is. A fraction with a denominator of 100 is a percentage, and we write that, let's say example 20%. 20% is 20 over 100. So that's what a percentage is. If you have a fraction with a denominator of 100, it can be expressed as a percentage. In this case, 20 over 100 is 20%. Now, I know that you're familiar with percentages, so let's just look at simply how we can convert a percentage to a fraction or a decimal. Very simple things, and we just want to use an example. Convert part A, 65%, to a fraction in its lowest terms, and part B, 12.5%, to a decimal. I'm just giving you 1 minute to work this one out. 65% as a fraction, 12.5% as a decimal. Alright, let's look at the solution. Alright, so let's start with part A. On part A, we've got 65%. So what does 65% mean? It means we're talking about 65 over 100, and what we do next is we reduce to lowest terms by, in this case, we can divide by 5 over 5, and dividing 5 into 65 we get 13, and 5 into 100 we get 20. So as a fraction in its lowest terms, it comes out as 13 over 20. Just as simple as that. And on part B, 12.5% as converting it to a decimal or expressing it as a decimal, it will come out as 12.5 over 100. And what does that mean? It means our decimal point moves 2 decimal places to the left, so that what we'll be getting, so it's 1 2, our decimal point comes here and a 0 behind it. Alright, so our answer comes out as 0.125 as a decimal. So that's how we can express a percentage as a fraction or a decimal.